Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel Marius Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up ENZ Tunnel Lite VPN application in all countries for a fast, secure and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to a friend. And in case you get any problem during the setup, the comment section is open. Let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you with the best server for your country, your network and on your device. So first step is to subscribe, second step is to like, third step is to open Google Play Store, and then you're going to type in your the application you're talking about, which is ENZ Tunnel Lite. Download this application, and then after downloading, install, then open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and community guidelines. Allow all permissions that will be requested to you initially by this application, and then after, give it some few seconds to load the servers so that you can be able to connect to a fast, secure and stable internet access later. And then after, you're going to come, before doing anything, you're going to come right here in the top left corner. Then you're going to choose that one, choose online update. Let me show you my step-by-step guide users are lost. Come right here where you see I want to go step by step. Come right here where you see those 4 dots, then come right here. I don't want to hear that anybody is lost. Online update. Now give it some few seconds to load the servers. Now when to come, it has loaded the servers. You see there is no update available. That means it is up to date. Now you're going to come right here where you see to select the server, and then after you're going to choose a server that is your country's location or that is near to your country's location. If your country's location is not right here, keep in the auto select server. Then the last step, we're going to come where you see direct TCP. Then we're going to try to look for your country's server by scrolling. Alternatively, you're going to come in the search bar and then type in your country's name, UDP. Hit UDP. Then choose one. Then press the start. Say OK. And then give it some few seconds to connect. And try to reconnect again if it keeps delaying. As you see, mine has connected. Now what if yours fails to connect? We're going to come and then try to restart the application. Clear the app data, clear the app cake, restart your device, reconnect again. So far this is the fastest application, as you see. You can also try to, if you're in Uganda, you are missing a lot, didn't activate KYC, text us, the numbers are in the bio. You're going to be activating your SIM card to KYC. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Marius Tech, and then I sign out.